So yeah, financial maths, we have this question here, as we said, right? It says Leanne, an estate agent. Yeah, that definitely sounds like the name of an estate agent. Leanne. Leanne, an estate agent, receives commission of 70,000 from a sale of a property. Payday. Payday goals. Anyways, it says here she invests the money in a money market investment account, paying 6.5%. This is an absolute rip off. Rip off. But anyways, that's none of my business. Per annum, compound interest, right? And then it says here, in 2 years' time, Leanne wishes to use the accumulated amount to pay for hotel accommodation in London. The current cost of the hotel is £188. This is the current cost of the hotel, right? And then it says that she wants to stay at the hotel for 14 nights. And then it says here, assume that the exchange rate will average at 18 Rand on £1. Wait, would assume that, assume, where's this thing here? Assume that the exchange rate will average at 18 Rand to £1 over the next 2 years, okay? Calculate the Rand value for her investment in 2 years. So the thing is, we have to find out how much her investment is, right? After 2 years. What did you get?
I got 79,395.75.
So the money, her interest was technically the 9,395.75.
Yeah.
So we'll just keep this number in mind to see if it's going to be enough for her hotel ticket. I mean, her hotel accommodation. What is the current cost of the hotel in Rand for 14 nights? Yeah.
Oh, I got that answer. 47,376.
Yay. Yay. This is how you know people live differently. So yeah, because you're gonna say 188 times the 18 Rand, you're gonna get the amount in rands for one night.
47,376
is the final answer.
Yeah, that's the final answer. So I guess I was struggling from number 3 downwards. My bad.
Yeah, so here you're right, 47,000. 47,000. No, not 37. 47, bro. 47,376. Like this. Yeah. And then what? Yeah, the next one now. Assuming an average inflation rate of 5.26% over the next 2 years, what will Leanne expect to pay for the 14 nights then? Well, if it goes up by this percentage, we can calculate, like what we do is, you can actually take this amount and just make it go up by that percentage. So the easiest way to do it is, when you work with the percentage, right? If you want to increase a number by this percentage, what you do is you say 1, what you may call, you write this as a percentage, right? Which is, you can write it over, what you may call, you can say here 5.26, right? This is a percentage number. So remember, a percentage, you want to write it over 100, right? The number over 100. So you can say here 5.26 over 100, right? You have to add 1 to this thing here. And then you multiply by whatever number you're trying to increase.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This will give you how much the money is going to be worth after that time period. It's just like simple interest. It's just like what you call simple interest, because it's A, remember, it's got to P. 1 plus I to the power of n. So this is only going to be over, as you can see here, this is over the next 2 years, right? So actually, yeah, I was actually gonna, so if it's 2 years time, and because this is inflation rate over the next 2 years. So remember, inflation is per year. So it's like you can say here the initial amount is the 47,376,000. 1 plus interest to the power of 2. What does this give us?
Oh, I realized I probably misread this whole question. Okay, that's fine. Let me quickly calculate it for you. 76 multiplied by 1 plus 0,0526 close bracket squared. So the answer I'm getting is 5,214.
5,000.
Sorry, 52,491 comma 3 cents.
Yeah. So can you just read the numbers one by one?
Oh, okay. So 52,491 comma 03.
Go. Yes. So that's what you're gonna get, right? So that's what you can keep in mind.
Okay.
Yeah, that's for question number 3, ne?
Yes, question number 3. Yeah, I misread the whole entire question. I overthought it a little bit because I
Yeah,
saw inflation rate, and then I don't know why I automatically went on Google and then Googled inflation rates and stuff like that. I was getting some weird new what do you call it, formulas, formulas, sorry, and wow, okay.
Now understand. Question 4 says, suppose that a return airline ticket economy class plus to London will cost 16,000 in 2 years' time. Yo, that's a lie. It's gonna be double probably. I mean, no, realistically speaking, it's probably double in this day and age. But maybe this is an old book. It says here, what is the current cost of the ticket? So if it's gonna cost this much in 2 years' time, we have to find out what it was costing 2 years back. So if you're gonna find out what it was costing 2 years back, you can just
That's
use
realistic.
the other formula.
Okay.
Because if it's now worth a certain amount, which is 16,939. Because remember, A is the amount after a specific time period has passed. So we're saying after 2 years, this is the value. We want to find out what was the value before the 2 years started. And this is the inflation rate, right? So over 2. So if you're gonna solve for P here, you know P, you're gonna leave it on its own. You're gonna divide everything by the big bracket. You see, because you're gonna say here, divide by this, and then divide by this.
Okay. So 16,939 divided by 1 minus 0.0556 squared. So what I'm getting is 18,872.13.
Wait, it can't, oh no, baga. It's supposed to be plus, because the amount started somewhere, and now it ended up at 16,000 something.
My bad.
No, it's my bad, because I should have put a plus here.
I should have identified that. So.
Oops. I guess it's both our
Okay, so I'm getting 15,288.36.
Yeah, that's fine.
No, but I think why did you put it plus there? Oh yes, makes sense. Never mind.
Yeah, because it started at a certain amount, it ended up here. So it gained interest, that money. I mean, the cost of the flight. Show that in 2 years, the value of Lian's investment will cover the cost of a flight and accommodation. Well, her investment is 39, it's 79,000 something. So we're gonna have to remove. This one is quite simple, actually, as you can see.
Yeah, I can see it. Let me.
Yeah, because it's gonna be the 79,000 something. 300 what?
9,395.95 minus 52 minus
29, 939 minus the other one, ne? 47, 52,000 something, something, something.
79,000.
What do we get?
Wait, give me a moment. 52.9. So I'm getting 11,616.39.
Yo, can you read the numbers one by one?
Okay, 11
1,
61
6, 1,
6,
6, comma,
39.
39. Yeah. Yeah. So therefore the investment will cover the cost. Costs. And then this last one says, after deducting her flight and hotel costs, Leanne will use the balance to spend in London. How many pounds will she have to spend? So what do we do for this one?
Wait, let me just write the last sentence. Give me a moment.
Or you want to write out the question?
Okay. No. Oh, okay. Yeah, I read that. So we're gonna say right, that one that we just calculated divided by 18.
Yeah, so it's gonna be the 11 something divided by 18, ne?
And it's going to give us 645.35.
Say that again.
So it's 645,
Uh-huh.
35.
Yeah. There's the number of pounds that the person will have. Yeah. So good.
That wasn't so bad. I guess I misinterpreted a bit and overthought. Okay. The next question
Mm.
is question number this. What question number is this?